Hi everybody, today we're gonna check out the BWT filter. The one that we're looking at is the BWT Bestmax Premium. So the BWT Bestmax Premium, the thing about the Premium is that it actually releases some magnesium as it filters through the water. Remember always to put a date of when the filter was installed and a date of when the expiry date of the filter would be. A filter like this, because of the carbon inside, it would last maximum 1 year. So usually the way we do it, we put the month and year of when it was installed, in this case July 2020, and it's coming out July 2021. Always put the date on the other side as well, just because you just never know once you screw it in which angle you're gonna have the actual little tag. This way you will be able to see it from both sides. So there's a couple great things about the BWT filter. One is the fact that it's got a little bypass. You can turn the little head on top and you can set the amount of water that will bypass through. The other thing is that you can unscrew it without shutting the water off. You got a little bit of drip that comes through. And then once you remove the filter, very easy, you grab some little bit of grease that you want to put on the two O-rings that are internal. It's good to put the grease, and remember always to use food grade grease. You don't want to contaminate the water, so that the O-rings will last longer. You won't have any leakage or anything like that, and the filter is going to slide perfectly on it. And then to put the filter back on, same thing, just screw it back on, and no need to turn the water on once the actual filter is on. Sometimes people forget to turn the water back on. So once the filter is in, all you need to do is purge it. You got the little purge valve that they should have purchased on the side or as a whole kit. And with the purge valve now, you easily, as you can see, just press the top little dome and the water comes out. The tube comes with it too, so that way you can direct where the water is going. So you want to check out the manual, open it up right to the bottom, the end of the booklet, table 1. And you obviously would have to check your hardness already, as was about 5, bypass is 3, and a size M for the filter. So now the last thing you want to do is program the amount of water that matched on the chart. In our case is 5,600, so here we are, and now the last number, 5,600. Thank you for watching.